pizza.
Yeah.
Half meter pizza.
Yeah,
Half
nice.
pepperoni, half of the like melon.
Prosciutto. Yeah, it'll be fun. Have a good day at Epcot today.
What?
Have a good day at Epcot.
Yeah.
Nice. Doing Remy Park's closed. It's 9:50.
I don't have it.
I know. Oh well.
Yeah.
They get the point.
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah. Gonna go get a sundae.
Yeah.
And then check into our new room.
Yeah.
Even better.
New room to see.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Leo, how you doing? Bon appetit. And Mino.
Beach Club. We're not staying here though. Yacht Club over there. We're just going to get some beaches and cream. Minnie, Mickey, Sink. She confused you when she said you want the Minnie or Mickey.
Yeah, she did. She confused me very much.
Whoa.
I think I also confused her though, so it was even.
And there's the beach over there. Huh.
Why would I want some sticky kitchen sink?
Having fun?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I love this. This is such a nice
Got
pool.
your wristband on?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Cool. Got it. Ariel.
Mermaidias Curiosus. Are these all different?
First Hercules. Pegasus.
Fishius. Devoted. So it's definitely flounder. Oh, Hercules and Pegasus. I love this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right, yeah, so just give our few thoughts on Via Napoli. It was our first time there. Pizza I thought was really good.
It was really good.
Yeah, it was good.
And what did we get? Was it the like meter long pizza?
I think so. It was the one for 4 people,
Yeah.
but all 5 of us ate it.
And we had
Pretty
I feel
easily.
like definitely our full.
Yeah,
plate.
I had to eat a 3rd piece.
Yeah, I think I might have had 2 pieces, but
Yeah, it was
they were
worth it.
big pieces.
Yeah, we had the prosciutto and cantaloupe.
Yeah,
It tastes very good. Like the cantaloupe didn't taste like cantaloupe, I think, because like the prosciutto
yeah,
sweetened it up or whatever. But it's very good.
yeah. And the other half we just
Yeah.
did pepperoni.
Yeah, our friend wanted to get the pepperoni.
I ended up really liking that.
I think I took a bite of yours, so
Yeah,
that was pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
it
our
was-
first time there. So.
yeah. I like how they made it fresh there.
Yeah, you could see them making it. That was fun.
Because we were sitting right by where they make it. It was cool seeing the guy get the dough. And,
Yeah,
you know.
and then you could see like, I mean, you couldn't really see, but you had a good view of like Epcot, like out into the park.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we were by the window too.
Yeah, I was more faced out by the window. So, or no, I was sitting by the window facing out towards the kitchen.
Yeah.
Watch them stuffed cannolis. Just
That
fun.
was cool.
It was
Yeah.
fun. Yeah. And we got to use the bathroom. Bathrooms are nice. I like the bathroom. Did you use the bathroom?
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't use it. I used the bathroom. Nice. Nice. My first ever bathroom trip in Italy.
There you go.
There you go. Yes, that was fun. All right. Thanks for watching this video.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.